Jop Jop wants to meet you. Where's Jop Jop? Jop Jop is lost. Oh, so early. Are you old? It's 8 p.m. here. Usually, people who sleep at 8 p.m. is old. Oh, you're old. Oh, it's 10 p.m. Oh, still, it's too early. Oh, look, Art. Oh, Jap Jap wants to meet you. He misses you so bad. He kisses your yak balls. Jap Jap will kiss your yak balls, ah. He already sent nothing. Wait lang, dumi ng earth. Bakit kaya Art pangalan yan? Artery. Thank you again, Art. I just have a quick question. Why is your name is Art? Does it come from the artery? And what is artery, by the way? Yun na si JB, te. Big tits daw, te. Diyos ko naman. Oh, oh, it's Arthur. I thought it comes from artery. Naiipit na yung biko sa ngipin ko. Laki ba, Larry? Kain ka na mo. Good night, Art. Gagi, yung usok. Kung nakakaintindi pala kayo ng Tagalog, what's the point? Bakit ako nag-i-English? Ha? Okay. $1M. Gusto nila private, 1 million. Gusto niyo private, 1M tayo sa akin. Alright. Ah, your mom is Bisaya pala. 1.5M. Oh, wait. Kung may papayag ng 1K, bibigay ko sa inyo 100K isa-isa. 1K 5K isa-isa. Sa mga BFF ko dyan. Si JB, oh. JB, bigyan mo daw ako 1M. Magnenegosyo na ako, promise. Nenegosyo ako, bakarat. Dadayain ko kayong lahat. I've been loving you since day one. Do I do dares? Nope. Ngayon, I dare you to lick your toe. Gago.